Hello students, welcome to lecture 5 of your second chapter Polynomials. So let us begin from where we have stopped. Let us see the third question of your exercise 2.2. So the third question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So we have to verify whether the given value, the given x is zero of this polynomial or not. So we have to check whether this value is a zero of this polynomial or not. How to check it? First, we should know what is zero of a polynomial, which we have already discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, a zero of a polynomial is a value of the variable which makes the polynomial zero, which makes the value of polynomial zero. So the value of x which will make this zero is the zero of polynomial. Okay, now how to check it? Simply substitute this value of x in the polynomial and solve for it. If you get it 0, that means it is 0 of the polynomial. And if it is not equal to 0, then this value is not a 0 for this polynomial. Okay, so let us check whether minus 1 by 3 is a 0 for that given polynomial or not. So for that, we need to check value of p of x at x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So at x is equals to minus 1 by 3, p of x, now substitute x with minus 1 by 3. So p of minus 1 by 3 will be equal to 3x plus 1. 3 into x will be your minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Now this 3 will get cancelled and minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, so you got answer 0. Value of the polynomial is equal to 0. If we take value of the variable minus 1 by 3, that means this value is 0 for this polynomial. It is verified that it is 0 of the given polynomial. Then how will you conclude your answer? Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of given polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1. So we have verified, yes, it is a 0 for the given polynomial. Now let us move to the second bit. So the second question is, p of x is equals to 5x minus pi at x is equals to 4 by 5 we need to check. So we need to check whether 4 by 5 is a 0 for this given polynomial or not. How we are going to do it? Same as we did it for the previous question. Okay, so we are going to put the value of x as 4 by 5 in this polynomial, and if the answer comes 0, then it is the 0 of the given polynomial. If it is not coming 0, that means it is not a 0 for this polynomial. Again do it. So at x is equals to 4 by 5, what will be your p of x? P of 4 by 5 equal to 5x. X is what? 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 gets cancelled. What remains? 4 minus pi. Now this 4 minus pi, even if you solve by putting the value of pi 3.14, still it will not be coming 0. Right? So don't solve it further. No need to solve it. Question is given in pi. So let the answer be in pi. Okay. So it is not equal to 0. That means 4 by 5 is not 0. Is not a 0 for the given polynomial. And how you are going to write it? Therefore, x is equals to 4 by 5 is not, this is not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 4 by 5 is not a 0 for p of x is equals to 5x minus pi. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. So the next sub question is, p P of x is equals to x square minus 1. X is equals to 1 and minus 1. Now here two values of x are given and we need to check both of them whether both of them are 0 or not, or whether one of them is 0 or not. Okay. So let us solve it as we are solving same way, only we are going to do it for the two values now. Okay. So let us do it for the first value, that is 1 first. So at x is equals to 1, P of x will, now we are going to substitute x as 1. So P of 1 will be equal to x square, that is 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So yes, x equal to 1 is a 0 for the given polynomial. Now check it for minus 1, same way. So at x is equals to the next value now, minus 1, P of minus 1, that is P of x. Substitute x as minus 1 now. So P of minus 1 will be equal to x square. So that means minus 1 square. Minus 1 as it is. So minus 1 square. Negative number raised to even. So it will be positive. 1 square is 1. So it will be plus 1. Minus this one as it is equal to 0. So yes, even minus 1 is a 0 for the given polynomial. So same way, right, how we were writing. Therefore, x is equals to 1 comma minus 1. X is equals to 1 comma minus 1 are zeros of P of x equal to x square minus 1. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Now the next question is P of x is equals to x plus 1, x minus 2, and we need to check x is equals to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 whether these both numbers are 0 of this given polynomial or not. So do it with the same method. So let us first check for minus 1. So at x is equals to minus 1, what will be your P of x now? P of minus 1 equals to x plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Put the value of x as minus 1 into x. So x we are putting as minus 1 minus 2. Now if you see here, minus 1 plus 1, 0 into anything is going to be now 0 only, but still we are going to solve it. Minus 1 minus 2, same sign. So you will add, but you will give negative sign. So it will be equal to 0. So yes, minus 1 is a 0 for that polynomial. Now check for 2. P of 2 is equals to x plus 1. So 2 plus 1. Put the value of x as 2. And x minus 2, that is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 plus 1, 3. And this 2 minus 2 is 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So yes, both minus 1 and 2 are zeros of the given polynomial. So therefore, x is equals to minus 1 comma 2 are zeros of P of x equal to x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. So the fifth question is P of x equal to x square, and we need to check whether x is equals to 0 is a 0 of polynomial or not. So for that what we are going to do is, again we are going to do the same thing. We are going to put value of x as 0 and we are going to see whether its value is coming 0 or not. So at x is equals to 0, your polynomial will be P of 0 equal to x square. Put x as 0, so 0 square. 0 square is what? 0 only. So yes, therefore x is equals to 0 is a 0 of polynomial P of x equal to x square. Very easy. Now let us move to the next question. Next question is P of x equal to Lx plus m, and we need to check x is equals to minus m upon L is a 0 for that polynomial or not. Now don't get confused. All are alphabets here. Okay. So how you are going to check which is variable and which is constant? Now check for this side. P of x, that is polynomial in x. Polynomial in variable x. So that means this x is a variable and rest is constant. And now think the other alphabets as constant. Okay, and solve how we are solving. No need to bother, all are alphabet, no numbers, how to do. You just remember, take that L and M as constant and x as variable. Okay, now here if it was P of L, then I would have taken L as variable, x as constant. But here what is there? P of x, that means variable is x and rest is constant. Solve for it same way. So at x is equals to minus m upon L, what will be your polynomial? P of minus m upon L. P of minus m upon L is equals to L is constant. We are replacing x with this, no? So that L will be as it is. Put the value of x as this, minus m by L plus m. M is a constant. Keep it as it is. This L gets cancelled. What remains? Minus m plus m. Plus m minus m cancel. It will be 0. So yes, x is equals to minus m upon L is a 0 for that polynomial. So write it in words. It will be therefore x is equals to minus m upon L is a 0 for P of x equal to Lx plus m. Easy? So don't get confused. No numbers, only alphabets. Always check this side. The polynomial is in x. That means x is a variable and rest is a constant. So look them as constant and solve how you solve when it is a number. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So the question is P of x equal to 3x square minus 1, and we need to check whether x is equals to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 upon root 3 are zeros of this polynomial or not. So check one by one. So let us first check whether minus 1 by root 3 is 0 or not. How you are going to do it? At x is equals to minus 1 upon root 3. What will be your value of polynomial? P of minus 1 upon root 3 equal to 3x square. Replace x with minus 1 by root 3. So 3 into x square. X is what? Minus 1 by root 3. And its square is there. So square. Minus 1. Okay. Equal to 3 into this 3 into. Now minus 1 square. Negative number raised to even number. So that means it will be positive. Minus 1 square is 1. Root 3 square. Root 3 square is nothing but root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it will be 1 upon root 3 square will be 3. And this minus 1 as it is. So what happens? 3 gets cancelled. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. I have written this in whole one line. You just write the steps one below the other. Okay. So it will be equal to 0. So yes, minus 1 upon root 3 is a 0 for the given polynomial. Because it is making the value of polynomial 0. Now check for the next one. 2 upon root 3. Okay. So at x is equals to 2 upon root 3. What will be the value of polynomial? P of 2 upon root 3 will be equal to 3 into x square. 3 into x square. So x is what now? 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. So this 3 into 2 square. 2 square is 4 upon root 3 square. Just now we discussed it is 3. And this minus 1 as it is. 3 cancelled. What remains? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. That means 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 for the polynomial. Okay, only minus 1 by root 3 is a 0. 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 for the polynomial. So write that properly. How you are going to do that? Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of p of x equal to 3x square minus 1 and and 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 for p of x equal to 3x square minus 1. Okay. So one more is there. So let us see the next question. So the next question is p of x is equals to 2x plus 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. Now we need to check whether 1 by 2 is 0 for this polynomial or not. So again do it by same method. Add x is equals to 1 by 2. Put the value of x as 1 by 2 in the polynomial. So it will be p of 1 by 2 equal to 2x. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 gets cancelled. What remains? 1 plus 1. This 1 plus 1, 2. So therefore it is not equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1 by 2 is not a 0 for p of x equal to 2x plus 1. So here we complete this question, and question number 4 we will see it tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.